in the divine womb of a mother behind the black hole. The fetus is one with the ethereal essence of life. That splendiferous breath of life, the ocean of pure consciousness and awareness, the very wilderness of peace, the indispensable oasis of love from which all things manifest, the ecstasy of the supreme, the profound universal power above all things is embedded in this ethereal realm. All shall dissolve into this divine dimension someday. The ethereal peace and love is unwavering in eternity. The divinity you are.